Passport?
You will get the checklist in the 24 hours.
Oh.
Yeah, more questions?
How about in my case, we are nurses, so before we enter in Canada, we should have exams. So if we use express entry, what do we require? What requirements do we need?
I mean, now Canadian government is very much flexible with the applicants. So, for example, Australian immigration, if you are going to start your application for the Australian immigration, you need to have your license first if you are in UAE not here. But if you will get your invitation from the Canadian government side and PR visa, you can work. But you cannot work same what you are working as an assistant or registered nurse, but you can work somewhere down the line below. Start your earnings, then after you can go for the license.
I have an auntie in Toronto.
If you have first blood relation in Manitoba, so that Manitoba province can provide you nomination.
Oh, okay. She says she will, I can sponsor you.
Yeah. The province only.
Okay.
More questions? That's it?
Some
For that,
information
we will-
that we know.
yeah, we
Some
will
other
interact.
information that is needed for us to know. Apart from what we have been asking, there might be some important thing
Tell
that
me,
you
okay.
want to tell us.
Tell me, sir.
You're not getting my point.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm telling you, we have asked questions, but there might be some points that you want to tell us that.
Again, you are going back. 67 points we need to calculate under Federal Skilled Workers Program. That doesn't mean you will get the PR. That means you are eligible, sir. Understand the scenario. Okay. Now, the government has given the criteria only. Your age bracket, your education, your job experience, and the best result of your IELTS. If you have these 4 things, you can start your application. Later on, the Immigration Department and Canadian government will give you the ranking system.
Okay, payment.
Yeah, payment. Okay, in the seminars we provide a very good discounts. So first of all, we have 12,000 dirhams fee. You can avail it in 10,000, 1,000 as a down payment and 1,000 for another 10 months. Then second mode of payment 11,000, but today you can get it in 9,000. You need to pay 3,000 as a down payment. 2 years more, 3 after 3 and 6 months. Okay. Another mode of payment 10,000 dirhams fee. Today you will get it in 8,000 for 2 installments, 4,000 as a down payment, 4,000 after 3 months. The best mode of payment is the last one, means 99% of our clients opt the last one. One time, one short payment plan, 8,000. Today you will get it in 6,000 to start the proceedings.
So we pay only 6,000 and that's it.
This is our professional fees, sir. We will sign the contract in the 24 hours. We will start our work. We will start making your partial profile. You will get the checklist. Okay. So the people who want to start or who want some more information,
What will you do in your professional work? Like you will just proceed this process and after finishing it, your work will be finished? Or when we will land there, then your work will finish?
we will not leave you once you will be in Canada. We will guide you where to get the accommodation, how to open the bank account, how to obtain the driving license. Even we will start circulating your CVs to our contacts and networks, because our owner of the company is originally belongs from Canada. So we have a very huge amount of contacts with Canadian companies and recruiters. Don't worry about that.
Okay, it's my uncle, is not my blood relation, but is a friend of my father. He has company in the Alberta.
Actually, sir, immigration cannot work according to you. I told you, if you have first blood relation in Manitoba, father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, brothers, nephew, then after that Manitoba can give you nomination only.
Okay, if I want to go with my investment as agriculturalist in Manitoba,
Investment?
then they think there are 75,000 first you will submit, and the next 75,000 you can submit later when you selected for open agriculture farm there. I have quite a lot of agricultural experience. I have a little farm.
Some programs they accept, they treating you as an entrepreneur. So you have to give them business plan first. They review this business plan. After sit down with you, for the interview.
Okay.
After the interview, they ask you to invest.
Okay.
So there is two different things. One, you have to open your escrow account,
Yeah.
put some deposit over there.
75,000 to government, to submit to the government.
This is deposit.
Yeah.
Okay, more than, and after you have to open your company, your business, separate.
Okay.
And the immigration come and inspect,
Okay.
because this is conditional visa. After they inspect your business, if you stay there, you manage your own business, and after they remove that condition from your file. And return your 75,000 back.
Doing my business.
And cost, it is written.
Sorry?
And cost, means you have to pay you amount that you will pay as a fees for examination or what?
You have to pay to the school, yes.
This is separate, not included.
No, separate. This is separate.
Question. You provide also your student visa.
Yeah,
Yes.
we have.
Is it the same amount we have to pay?
Another mode of payment, you can book one appointment for that.
This is different. Different.
So apart from this 6,000, apart from this IBS fee, what are the other expenses that we may, just overall, like approximately,
Okay, very good question again. Okay, once you will get the selection from the Canadian government side, then after you need to pay the Canadian government fees. Understand again. Previously we have other programs. At that phase of time, if you are interested to start your application, you need to pay the government fees as well at the spot. But now, once your profile gets selected from the Canadian government side, then after you need to pay the Canadian government fees. For the single applicant, application fees, you can write down if you want. 2,500. Landing fees 3,500. That is for single applicant. For married people, yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Married people, application fees 5,000. Landing fees 5,500. Kids below 18, 800 multiplied by how many kids you have. What is landing fee?
5,000 is
5,500 for the married couple.
each of them, or
For a couple.
For the couple, yeah.
okay.
Two.
5,500 for single.
For the married one. For the single one, the landing fees is 3,500.
Total.
Total for the single applicant is 6,000. 2,500 plus 3,500. How much is this, sir? Okay, tell me if you have some more questions.
This payment 12,000, what's the coverage of this one?
We will meet,
Your service?
yeah, we will meet the contract, man. That is valid for 1 year.
Contract.
And after 1 year contract gets over, you renew it. And what's the fee? You again have a fee.
We will just take partial amount. We will not charge full amount.
So
you
you
can
make how
renew
much?
your
How much
contract.
would that be? Partial amount.
just to have an
You can
idea.
see around,
Because now, since if within the point range, if we didn't get the call, it's 460. Let's hope it will go around 400 now.
around 3 to 4,000 only. Don't worry about that. You will get in 6 to 9 months.
Okay, if after I launch the application, if I get more calls this year, if I need to update my CV, I can update.
Update your CV.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
Sir,
can do it, yes.
Yeah.
Generally, what is
I
the
can
success
add more
percentage?
calls, I can add.
Just
You
like
can-
to have an overall.
You can
data.
upgrade your status
Mhm.
anytime you want.
From
Yeah,
this-
sir, last year is our past year. We served around 350 PR visas to our respective clients. You can see
If-
the testimonials in our website. You will get 100 of testimonials. You can spend whole night.
Great. And out of how many applicants? Like 350 you said.
Then we need to check from our processing team, sir.
Yeah,
This is a
just
technical
to,
question.
to have.
This is a technical question.
More than 3,000.
Okay, that's it. Okay, if you want to meet us, you can meet us in our campus. Thank you.
Thank you.